Hello everyone, welcome to our world where rustic charm meets timeless elegance. In today's video, we are exploring Rustic from House Decor Ideas, a beautiful decorating style that blends antique-inspired features, cozy farmhouse elements, and soft vintage details to create a warm and inviting home. From distressed wood furniture and delicate floral accents to natural color palettes and charming vintage accessories, these ideas will help you design a space that feels both elegant and comfortably lived in. Whether you are refreshing a single room or transforming your entire home, you will find plenty of inspiration to bring vintage farmhouse charm into every corner. Let's get started. Rustic farmhouse decor is all about creating a home that feels welcoming, elegant, and filled with timeless character. Instead of following fast-changing trends, this style embraces antique-inspired furniture, ornate finishes, and meaningful decorative pieces that tell a story. Every room is designed to feel comfortable, relaxed, and beautifully lived in. One of the defining features of this style is its balanced mix of rustic and refined elements. Distressed oak tables, vintage cabinets, and reclaimed shelves are paired with soft linen, curtain, floral fabrics, crystal vases, and delicate lace accents. This combination adds warmth while maintaining a graceful, sophisticated appearance. The color palette is typically soft and calming, featuring shades like white, cream, beige, warm grey, shades green, dusty blue, and muted blush. These gentle colors brighten the home and create a peaceful atmosphere, while natural textures such as wood, wicker, cotton, and stone add depth and visual interest. Decorative accessories play an important role in completing the vintage farmhouse look. Antique clocks, oven baskets, ceramic pitchers, old books, botanical prints, galvanized metal containers, candles, and fresh flowers bring personality and charm to every corner. The result is a home that feels timeless, cozy, and effortlessly elegant. Rustic farmhouse decor is inspired by the beauty of traditional country homes, where every piece has a sense of history and purpose. Rather than filling a room with brand new furniture, this style encourages mixing vintage find with modern comforts to create a space that feels authentic and inviting. The result is a home that is both practical for everyday living and rich in timeless charm. Layering is an essential design technique in Rustic farmhouse interiors. Cozy throw blankets, textured cushions, vintage rugs, and natural oven baskets add warmth and comfort, while making each room feel complete. These carefully layered details create a relaxed atmosphere that encourages people to gather, unwind, and enjoy the space. Lighting also plays a key role in enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Old iron candelabras, distressed wooden lamps, lantern-style pendants, and warm-toned bulbs create a soft, welcoming glow throughout the home. Natural sunlight is equally important, so light linen curtains or shade traps are often used to let daylight brighten the room. The true beauty of Rustic farmhouse decor lies in its ability to showcase personality through meaningful details. Family heirlooms, handmade crafts, flower market treasures, and antique collections make every room unique and full of character. Instead of aiming for perfection, this style celebrates comfort, history, and the timeless appeal of a home that feels genuinely loved. Let's Rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. First, display antique pictures filled with fresh or dried flowers to create a charming focal point on tables and shelves. Next, layer vintage picture frames with botanical prints, family photos, or watercolor artwork for a collect timeless look. Style open wooden shelves with stacked old books, ceramic bowls, oven baskets, and small potted plants. Add Add distressed wooden trays to coffee tables or kitchen counters, to neatly arranged candles, vases, and seasonal decor. Use lace or embroidered table runners to bring softness and vintage elegance to dining tables and sideboards. Decorate with galvanized metal buckets or watering cans as rustic planters or decorative storage pieces. Mix white ceramic details with vintage glassware inside open cabinets to create a classic farmhouse display. Hang oversized vintage wall clocks or rustic wooden sign to add character without overwhelming the space. Place wicker baskets beside sofas or entryways to store blankets, magazines, or pillows while adding natural texture. Complete each room with warm candlelight, soft linen fabrics, fresh greenery, and a few carefully chosen antique treasures to create a cozy, welcoming farmhouse atmosphere. Decorate fireplace mantels with vintage candlesticks, framed artwork, and seasonal greenery for a timeless display. Use reclaimed wood crates as stylish storage for books, blankets, or potted plants. Add an antique-style mirror with a distressed frame to reflect natural light and make the room feel larger. Display vintage enamelware, teapots, or ceramic pictures on kitchen shelves for authentic farmhouse charm. Layer neutral colored quilts and textured throw pillows on beds and sofas to create a cozy, inviting feel. Incorporate weathered wooden tools or benches as functional accent pieces in kitchens and entryways. Arrange glass jars filled with dried lavender, cotton steams, or wheat for simple rustic centerpieces. Hang oven hats, window aprons, or rustic baskets on wall hooks as decorative and practical accents. Choose furniture with turned legs, curved details, and distressed finishes to enhance the vintage character. Add soft floral arrangements, eucalyptus stems, or olive branches throughout the home to bring freshness and natural beauty. Place a vintage trunk at the foot of the bed to provide hidden storage and classic farmhouse style. Style side tables with stuck antique books, a small lamp, and a ceramic vase for a balanced, elegant look. Use linen slip covers on dining chairs or armchairs to create a relaxed and effortlessly chic appearance. Mix natural wood tones with painted white furniture to add warmth and visual contrast. Finish every room with subtle personal touches such as heirlooms, handmade crafts, or flower market finds to give your home a unique and meaningful story. Place a vintage bread box or wooden cutting boards on the kitchen counter for everyday turn. Decorate console tables with antique lanterns, greenery, and framed family photos. Use ruffled linen curtains to soften windows while allowing natural light to fill the room. Display vintage clocks, pocket watches, or small collectibles under glass closets for an elegant touch. Add rustic corbel bench shelves to create classic farmhouse architectural detail. Style a wooden ladder with folded quilts, linen throws, or open blankets for cozy texture. Incorporate distressed wooden candle holders in different heights to create a warm centerpiece. Use windows-inspired ceramic crocks to hold kitchen utensils, flowers, or wooden spoons. Place oven stick grass rugs in entryways or kitchens to introduce natural warmth and texture. Decorate with old window frames or shelf-less shutters as unique wall art. Arrange fresh shrubs in terracotta pots on windowsills to bring color and a farmhouse feel indoors. Add embroidered or crocheted pillow covers for a handmade vintage accent. Mix brass, aged bronze, and matte black hardware to give furniture timeless character. Display antique stills, milk bottles, or vintage baskets on open shelves for nostalgic appeal. Use soft, plain, ticking stripe or floral fabrics to add classic country patterns without overwhelming the space. Create a cozy reading nook with a vintage armchair, a knitted throw, and a small wooden side table. Place a weathered wooden bowl filled with pine cones, seasonal fruit, or decorative moss on the dining table. Hang a simple eucalyptus wreath or giant flower wreath on interior door for year-round farmhouse charm. Choose handmade pottery and artisan ceramics to add authenticity and natural beauty. Keep the overall styling simple and uncluttered, allowing each vintage piece to stand out and tell its own story. Vintage farmhouse decor is a warm and welcoming interior design style that combines the rustic charm of country living with the timeless elegance of vintage pieces. It features weathered old, antique-inspired furniture, soft, neutral colors, floral patterns, and cozy textiles to create a home that feels both stylish and full of character. This style celebrates imperfect beauty by mixing old and new elements, distressed finishes, reclaimed wood, vintage mirrors, oven baskets, lace, and aged metal accents. Add history and personality to every room. The goal is to create a space that feels collected over time, rather than perfectly matched. A vintage farmhouse home often uses a calming color palette of white, cream, beige, soft grey, shades cream, and dusty blue. Natural materials such as wood, linen, cotton, wicker, and stone bring warmth and texture, while fresh flowers, candles, and handmade accessories complete the cozy atmosphere. Whether decorating a living room, kitchen, bedroom, or entryway, vintage farmhouse decor focuses on comfort, simplicity, and timeless beauty. It creates a peaceful, inviting home filled with nostalgic details and elegant country charm. Here are more detailed tips. Install a vintage hut with layered white dishes, crystal glassware, and antique serving features for an elegant display. Place a rustic wooden dough bowl on the dining table filled with candles, greenery, or seasonal decorations. Use distressed picture leaves to display framed botanical prints, vintage postcards, and small decorative accents. Add a cozy window seat with soft cushions and floral pillows to create a peaceful reading corner. Decorate empty corners with tall wicker baskets filled with olive branches or dried pampas grass. Choose sleep-covered sofas in soft, neutral fabrics for a relaxed and timeless farmhouse look. Display vintage swing boxes, wooden toolboxes, or old trunks as decorative storage pieces. Hang farmhouse-style wall sconces with warm lighting to create a cozy evening atmosphere. Mix delicate porcelain figurines with rustic wooden decor for a beautiful contrast of textures. Decorate bedside tables with vintage alarm clocks, ceramic lamps, and fresh flowers. Incorporate handmade crochet table mats, doilies, or runners to enhance the vintage cottage feel. Style bathroom shelves with rolled white towels, oven baskets, and vintage glass jars for a spa-like farmhouse look. Finish the space with meaningful heirlooms, handcrafted decor, and carefully chosen vintage treasures that reflect your personal style and create a home full of timeless charm. Create a charming coffee station with vintage mugs, wooden tray, and antique-style canisters. Display old enamel pictures on open shelves to add authentic farmhouse character. Use distressed wooden trusses to elevate candles, plants, or seasonal decorations on countertops. Add in fresh wildflowers in clear glass bottles for a simple yet elegant centerpiece. Use hand-woven baskets to organize blankets, firewood, or children's toys while adding texture. Stand floating wooden shelves with layered antiques, small plants, and ceramic pottery. Thank you for watching. We hope these vintage farmhouse decor ideas have inspired you to create a home filled with warmth, timeless beauty, and rustic elegance. Remember, the secret to this style is blending vintage treasures, natural textures, and cozy details to create a space that feels welcoming and uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.